All right, guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by Rpghair. And of course, if you guys aren't subscribed, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you do not miss a video. So this time around, the company sent me over the 360 pre-plucked lace wig. This one is body wave and it's Indian Remy. I have it in a natural black color. It is 18 inches. It's 180% density. And they also bleached the whole wig. Okay, so you do have that option now to give you a more natural look. I see the hair blowing, don't mind it. It is because I do have the fan on. So I wanted to give you guys a quick look of what the bleached knots look like on the mannequin head, and I've been getting more requests to kind of show them out the box. But that is what the bleached knots look like. I think it looks really good. Now, if you do not want to have them bleach the whole wig, you can always select to just bleach it only 2 inches in the front of the unit, which is what they do anyway on most of their wigs. Now, the bleached knot method is an extra $10, and of course it will take an extra 5 days. So unsure of what to do with this unit, so I am going to do a quick ombre. Like, I ain't got time to be sitting here all day coloring this unit, so this is just going to be very quick, simple, and easy. So I did go ahead and wet the hair a little bit in the front just because it is thick. And as you guys can see, when I did part it, it was kind of hard for me to just show you guys the parting space. So wetting it definitely helped me lay the hair down. And I'm just going to take a section in the front because I'm going to do a lighter color in the front and then a darker color in the back. Okay, and I have done this method plenty of time. So I'm just going to be using 40 volume developer and also the L'Oreal bleach, and I'll make sure to leave a link down below of the specific ones that I am talking about. Just in case I got it wrong, I'll make sure to link everything. Times, as you guys have seen, if you have been on my channel for a while, you have seen me do this while the hair is wet, but I am doing it while it is dry this time around. Both methods work out for me, so I don't have a problem with doing it either way. Now, the mixture does not have to be super thick when doing this. I just like it to be good enough to where I can spread it with the brush and also with my hands, which you guys will see me do towards the back. So I'm going to color the front first because I do want a lighter color in the front, and then I will be placing on a strip of foil. Now, you can pick up these foil strips from your local beauty supply store, or you can find them at Sally's, or you can do it the old-fashioned way and you can just tear up some strips of foil that you have at home. These just come in handy because I don't want to be tearing up strips, and you get a lot in a box, so that's the good thing about that. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up and let it sit, and then I am going to move around to the back. The back of this hair, I did not want a super bright color. I wanted my focus to be more in the front, but I still want, you know, a pop of color in the back. So I'm going to use my hands, and I'm just going to grab some of the mixture, and I'm just going to spread this throughout the hair. On this method, make sure you are focusing underneath in the nape area also, so that it isn't looking splotchy. You want to make sure to evenly distribute this out. And then I'm going to move on to the other side. You do not want to focus on one side too much because you don't want it to bleach and be brighter than the other side. You want them to look as even as possible. Now, with 40 volume developer, of course, it will start to turn very quick. And I'm just taking a brush, and it looks like I'm being rough, y'all, but it's just that this mannequin head was moving. But I'm making sure to brush everything, and then I am going to take the brush and put it in the mixture and just trying to do little strokes up and down because I did not want a harsh line. I wanted it to look as ombre as possible, and then just catch those spots that I think I did not get good enough with my hands. Hair started turning very quick, as you guys can see, and of course when you have that foil on, it's going to speed up the coloring process, and as you guys can see, that turned out really good. So I left the back on for about 10 minutes, and then the front stayed on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So this is what the unit looks like when it is freshly washed. So it still gives the body wave look, which I do love. And then this is what it looks like after I have thrown some curls into it. They sent over a medium cap for me, which is a little bit too big on my head, so I will have to go ahead and adhere this down, but they do come in a small, medium, and a large. Now, if you do have a larger head size, it will take an extra 7 days. Please make sure that you are following On the website, they have an actual guide to show you how to measure your head so that you pick out the correct cap size, because the last thing you want to do is order a wig and it's too big and it's too small and you have to ship it back. So make sure you are getting your correct head measurements. As I am working on cutting off the lace, one thing I did notice is that it looked a little bit lighter in the very front. Now in the scalp area, it looked fine, but the lace in the front just looked a little bit too light. I'm looking on the website and I don't even see an option to pick a lace color. So of course, you guys know I will have to go in and put some powder in that area just to make it look more natural. So for now, I will be using my Got to Be Free spray, and I am going to spray that on top of the lace in the front of the hairline, and then on the side I will go ahead and spray it underneath just for extra security. Once I spray everything down, I'm going to go in with my rat tail comb and my fingers and just kind of press everything in so that it could dry quick. Now this free spray does not take long to dry, so a little bit definitely goes a long way. You do not need a lot of the product. So after swooping over some hairs, I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette in the color light medium. I'll make sure to leave that link down below. And I'm really gonna focus on the hairline. The parting space, like I said, I wasn't too worried about, but the hairline, it just has to be blended in, because of course that's exactly what people are going to see when they are looking at you. So then I'm gonna work on swooping over some of that hair because I feel like it was just sticking to my head because of the free spray. And then I'm going to go in the parting area and put some of that powder also. And I did not pluck any extra hairs out of the front of the hairline, nor did I pluck any extra hairs out of the parting space. It looked good as is. Going to go in and refresh some of these curls. Now originally I went in with the flat iron and curled this whole unit with it, and it held up okay, but it dropped very quickly. So then I went back in with the wand curl and I ended up curling at the top of the hair. So the wand curls definitely lasted for the whole 4 days, and in the bottom area you see where I did flat iron it, and those are the curls that initially dropped. Going to take the Rpghair wax stick and my Andy's hot comb, and I'm going to go around the hairline and at the top of the wig just so that I can make sure this is laid down really flat, and I want a really nice sleek and pressed look. And of course I'll make sure to leave a link down below to where you can purchase these items. I did not notice a lot of flyaways with this unit, which was a good thing. Just using my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and you guys know I love this product. This helps protect the hair from getting super frizzy, and it just gives it a nice sleek and shine look without looking super oily. And you definitely want to focus on the ends of the hair, especially because I did go ahead and color this unit, so you want to make sure you put some serum in it so that it doesn't come off looking super dry. And as you guys can see, I'm going back in on this side to fix that bang area because I wanted it to look as similar as possible to the other side. I always have a problem with those type of curls, but this is what it is looking like, guys, and I love the way that it looks. It's super pretty. Now this one is in the length 18 inches, which I feel is not too bad at all. And then you can get this unit all the way up into 24 inches. Of course, it is going to take an extra 7 days when you go that long. This is a 360 unit, so you can put this up into a high ponytail if you would like. Now you can also choose to get the removable elastic band. Of course, that is extra when you add all that stuff on. And the hair density on this goes from 130, 150 to 180. Initially, the lace did look a little bit lighter than I would have liked it to, but with powder, it definitely turned out better. I do like that the companies are now offering bleached knots and an elastic band to help those out who are beginners and are too scared to mess up their lace. I love this hair, guys. Even in its natural state, this hair was very beautiful. I could tell just by touching it, and it was really nice and thick. I would definitely say this is between 150 to 180%. You would like this unit in the same inches, the 18 inches with the whole front bleached. And if you want an elastic band, I'll add that in there just in case. But it turns out to be $147.35, which to me is not bad. Plus I have a $10 off coupon code, so it's very affordable and most of the work is already done for you. So I like this unit in the middle part, but it's still looks bomb in the side part, so I wanted to make sure to come and show you guys what it looks like. Guys, let me know what you think about the quick color session. If you are feeling it, let me know down below. Are interested in this unit, of course, I'll make sure to leave all the details once again along with the coupon code. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.